In the heart of every kitchen, beneath the glow of culinary dreams, lies a humble masterpiece waiting to be unveiled. The art of cooking chicken. Picture the canvas of raw poultry, primed for the artist's touch. The chef, a maestro in their own right, begins the symphony, selecting from a palette of spices. Each sprinkle, a stroke painting a story of flavor, transforming the chicken from mere sustenance to a culinary sonnet. In this ethereal ballet, let us season our canvas with the choicest spices, each note a promise of what's to come. With a sizzle and a sigh, we lay our offering upon the sacred griddle. This, my friends, is the dance of creation, where raw potential meets the gentle persuasion of heat. As the griddle hums in quiet anticipation, the chicken begins its transformation from the mundane to the extraordinary. Listen to the symphony that unfolds. Each pop, each sizzle, is a note in a melody that is as old as fire itself. The surface of the chicken, once pallid and unremarkable, now blushes under the griddle's caress, taking on a golden hue, a testament to the magic that is happening. Each second on the griddle emboldens our chicken, etching character onto its skin, searing tales of transformation onto its surface. And beneath that surface, the humble flesh comes alive, its fibers drinking in the heat and blooming into a succulence that is a delight to behold. Watch as the colors transform, the alchemy of heat and time weaving an intricate tapestry of flavors. Now, as the fragrant tendrils rise, we draw near the zenith of our culinary tale. The once raw chicken, now a sizzling testament to the magic of heat and time. The final stages of cooking are a dance of patience and precision, a delicate balancing act that brings our masterpiece to life. Each sizzle, each pop, a note in the symphony of flavors we've composed. And then, the moment of truth. The addition of the final seasonings and sauces, a drizzle of tangy barbecue, a sprinkle of fresh herbs. Each ingredient, a character in our story, adding depth and complexity to the narrative on our plate. It's a crescendo of taste, texture, and aroma. With reverence, we add the finishing touch, a chorus of herbs and sauces, each playing its part in the grand finale. And now, as we gather around the table, let our senses be serenaded by this symphony of flavors. The once humble chicken, transformed through the dance of culinary artistry, now takes center stage as a masterpiece of delight. A mosaic of textures and hues, it stands as a testament to the magic that can be conjured in our very own kitchens. Each morsel is a chapter of our story, each bite a celebration of the journey we embarked on. The aroma, the taste, the satisfaction. It's not just about feeding our bodies, it's about nourishing our souls. As we take that first bite, let us savor not just the taste, but the poetry that has unfolded in our kitchen today.